that. Near the boats, they see the boats. Oh boy. We'll do another lap of honour. There's still green at this shallow. You can imagine me with a dew, hey? I think I'm hooked him alright. He doesn't seem to be too stressed. Oh, shit, what am I doing? Oh my gosh. Oh, there he is. One more lap. Oh, you little bug, he's still green as. This is a 6 pound line doing his bit. Alright, let's turn you around. Come on. Okay, net down, in. Gotcha. Oh, nice fish, mate. Thanks, mate. Yeah, they hop out of this net too. They sort of tail spring. Yeah. It's not quite 70, but I reckon it's about 56 again. And once again on the Holt swim.
Oh, you changed.
I went back because it's only shallow again, anything under 5 metres. Craig's matched it. Oh. Just bring it round and I'll just scoop it up. See that net. Oh, he let go. He let go. Got that on film, letting go. Happy days. Yeah, he's leaving. It's only got me 36. But we're calling the weight, we're calling the length here. I'm going to go 41. What's it going to be, Craig?
I don't know. I don't want to guess too many times.
Well, truly. What his second fish on for the day. Keep that tension, he says. Keep that tension. Oh, it's a bit better. Catching him in. That's better. He was really trying to throw you at the surface, my friend.
That's better than the last one.
Yeah, that's in the 50s. Once again, your perfect release system seems to be working every time. How do you do that? Well done.
Well, I was worried about him getting off.
Yeah, well that head shake he did at the front, that's pretty much dislodged it. Going for a hat trick. This is an interesting little fish you've got going there, Craigo. Okay. Yeah, you're in the mid-60s. How's that drag of yours? Yeah, because I can't quite get the net down there, so let him just, he's still very green. I heard your drag going, I'm going, is he just getting that drag right, or what's going on? Yeah, he's green. I'm glad he didn't pull hard. Tactile teamwork here, because once he sees that net he's going to do another run under. Oh, there he goes. That's the way. Yeah, he's a high 60s, mate. I reckon 68 easy.
Hopefully it's 73.
Oh, come on. Oh, oh, too much. Go. Shit. I saw him. He's a fish of the day. Go easy. Very. Oh shit. Okay, this is going to have to be a sweep. Head in. Oh, 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 it's got some girth to it. Jump up, jump up. Since she goes off, I'll get the underwater shots for you. That's alright. It's on burst. Yeah. Alright. Come on, baby. couple of kicks. She'll kick up when she's ready. I usually nudge her nose on the net, yep, and she gets a tail whip. Come on, girl. Give us some kicks. Oops. How much film's on this? That's alright. Not yet. That's why I don't want to let her go till she kicks. Just move up and back on the net. Yeah, that's it. Get the oxygen through. Oh shit. Yeah, she's almost ready. She's almost ready. That's it. Watch your sides. Yep. Yep, I'm clicking.
Oh, she went straight past the camera.
Oh, bitch. That's alright.
That's awesome.
It's got about 300 photos on there, man. Well done, Craig.
I love that.